Are you searching for the perfect movie or show on Amazon Prime Video? I know it can feel challenging, especially when there's so many options, but don't worry. I'm going to show you some super easy tricks to find exactly what you want in no time. So first, you're going to start by using the search bar at the top of your screen. This is the fastest way to basically find movies, TV shows, or even actors. So just type in a keyword or a title and hit enter. Next, you're going to try using filters to narrow down your choices by genre, by release year, or even by rating. So this helps you find what you're looking for, whatever you're in the mood for, okay? So if you're not sure what to watch, explore the recommended for you section. This is personalized to your watching habits, so it's full of shows and movies that you're going to love, all right? Another cool feature is Watchlist. So when you find something interesting, add it to your list so that you can watch it later. All right? So I love the Watchlist. Finally, take advantage of Prime Video channels, okay, to access other streaming services with your subscription, okay? You might as well, you have it. Now, if you're ready to start searching like a pro, let me know in the comments. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.